Hi there, I'm now going to show you how to accept a payment on a lay-by. On the home screen on Posworx, I'm going to click Laybys, and in the lay-by screen, all the active laybys are in green, all the completed laybys are in black, and all the cancelled laybys are shaded out in grey. The lay-by numbers are here, the store name, the name and surname of the customer, reference, telephone number, cell phone number, amount paid in, the sale total, the total due, the status of the lay-by, the date the lay-by was created, invoice number. Note, an invoice number will only be generated once the lay-by has been paid in full and completed, and the sales user. We're now going to search for a current active lay-by. You can search by typing in the lay-by number or the customer's name in the search box here. I'm going to type in the customer's name, enter, click on the lay-by. As you see, the lay-by purchase details here, and below are the lay-by payment details, the tender type, the reference, the date, the amount paid in. I'm now going to click on accept payment, and a message appears, are you sure you want to accept a payment for Tammy's sales? I'm going to click yes, and a lay-by tender screen like this appears. This is a credit card payment, so I'm going to click on credit card and insert the amount. Press F5 for tender. To click back on that lay-by, and as you see, the payment has been updated. If you would like to print this lay-by, click print, and a message appears. Click yes to print to receipt printer or no to an alternate printer. I'm going to click no. You can export this report into a PDF or CSV format. You can print this report, or you can copy and paste this report onto another screen. You can click on the envelope and email this report. I'm going to enter in an email address and email this report. Send email, and a message appears, report has been emailed successfully. I'm going to click OK and close this report. If you would like to print a delivery note of this lay-by, click print delivery note. Same procedure as before. You can export this delivery note, you can print this delivery note, you can copy and paste this delivery note onto another screen, or you can email this delivery note. I'm going to close this delivery note. And that is how you would accept a payment on a lay-by and print a lay-by. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.